It was probably 3 or 4 in the morning.
We had 3 feet in our house for 10 days.
I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy. You can't get out. Your child's inside with you.
Thank God we had a second floor.
It's just an awful, awful experience.
We just could not live through another flood. Just one time is so hard.
Elevation crossed my mind, but what was in my mind was a very primitive type. I said, no. I didn't think 5 minutes about it. I said, I don't want that,
I was a skeptic.
We just had the best response from P3. They seemed excited to lift our house. They seemed excited to work with us. They answered all of our questions.
If I called or text, I got an answer immediately. It was a situation, it was dealt with.
And so what I was looking for a company was not that a company would do everything perfectly the first time, but when there are issues, that they would own up to them, fix them, and there would be open communication about them.
Knowing that I could call and ask any question and that they were going to take their time to help me kind of figure it out.
My house is on a better foundation than it was when it was built. It's a better house now.
The thing that is important at the end of the day is that you come away and you say the experience was good. And today, with a lot of people, you can't say that. But I can honestly say with P3 that the experience has been good.
No regrets in choosing P3.
I went from, gosh, this is a lot of money, to I don't regret a penny of it.
I sleep at night when it rains. I mean, we're in the middle of hurricane season, and it is a peace of mind.
Anyone that was telling me that they wanted to raise their house, I would tell them this is the company they should use.
The value that's been added to our home, to me, is significant.
Really good people. And we're very happy with what we chose.
It's a job well done.